6 burner and charbroiler oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 30 inches. 30 inches is from the front towards the back of the splash, and a height of 59.5 inches tall. Minus the splash, we have a height of 40 inches. Coming to the right will be 4 removable broiler plates, and each plate will measure 5 3/4 inches by 20.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 4 removable broilers. Beneath the broilers are 2 burners, along with the oil drip pan. Measurements for the oil drip pan will include 22 inches in length by 25 inches in depth. Tray can be removed and inserted back onto the track. Coming to the left will be 6 burners. Each burner will measure 12 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Each plate can be removed, and coming beneath are the separate knobs to control each burner. And right beneath is the removable waste tray. Measurements for the waste tray will include 30 inches in length, 25 inches in depth. Tray can be inserted back onto the track. Left and right ovens beneath. And included will be 4 shelves, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Each shelf will include a length of 26 inches by 21 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 4 shelves, and interior dimensions for each oven. We have 26.5 inches in length by 22.5 inches in depth. Also included will be the natural gas regulator, along with the propane conversion kit. Coming to the top of the splash will be a compartment for storage. Coming to the back will be the black pipe for connection. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.